Planet Dolan.
Some places in the world would make great places to visit as a tourist, if people were actually allowed there. But these 10 places don't allow most people anywhere close, no matter how badly you want to see what's inside. I'm Danger Dolan's mysterious brother, and today I'll be your narrator. Number 10. The whole point of the Chiyon Mountain complex in Colorado Springs, Colorado, was to act as a base impervious to nuclear attack. Basically, it's a real-life fallout vault. For years, it was a core hub for the US government to scan the skies for nuclear missile activity during the Cold War. Obviously, it's a top-secret facility, so you can't just walk in and get a tour. It was decommissioned in 2005 because of the reduced threat of a Soviet nuclear attack. But in 2015, it was put back into service as a top-secret communications hub because it turns out it's also well shielded from an EMP attack. So now you definitely can't visit. Number 9. The Church of Our Lady Mary of Zion is the most important church in Ethiopia and maybe one of the most important in the world. After all, the ancient 4th century church claims to house the Ark of the Covenant, the chest containing the stone tablets of the 10 Commandments. Of course, good luck getting to see them for yourself. Tradition dictates that only a single person is permitted to see the Ark, a guardian monk. The guardian monk is appointed to look after the Ark for the rest of his life and remains confined to the chapel forever. So yeah, you're not getting in there. Number 8. The Bohemian Grove is the exclusive club of exclusive clubs, and it's basically just a collection of tents amongst the California redwoods. The richest and most prominent men in the world, from former American presidents to oil barons to famous musicians, come to Bohemian Grove to go camping and probably do Illuminati stuff. The secretive boys club is known to have a wait list going back about 33 years. Little is known about the Grove, other than people are allowed to pee wherever they feel like, and people are supposed to check their business deals at the door. Except for that one time in 1942 when a bunch of people at the Grove brought together what would become the Manhattan Project. Number 7. The Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, also known as the Mormon Church, just so happens to control the largest collection of genealogical records in the world. The Granite Mountain Records Vault holds more than 3.5 billion archived records from more than 100 countries. With so much data involving family histories, public access to the vault is not permitted for security reasons, but they have published a video tour of the facility if you're curious. Number 6. One of the most sacred places in Japan is the inner shrine of the Grand Shrine of Issei. The shrine houses the Sacred Mirror, one of the 3 sacred treasures of Japan, and is dedicated to Amaterasu, the sun goddess in the Shinto religion. The shrine supposedly dates back to the year 4 BCE, though historians believe the structures there were more likely built around the 3rd century. Approximately 6 million people complete pilgrimages to the Issei Shrine each year, but they cannot access the shrine itself. Access is strictly limited to shrine keepers and the emperor's family. Number 5. The mausoleum of the first emperor of China's ancient Qin dynasty wasn't discovered until 1974, and naturally, it was surrounded by thousands of terracotta warriors. This discovery set off a scramble of new tourism to the site, which the Chinese government eventually had to shut down. The site is now considered protected, which means tourism and business developments are confined to the outside of the facility. Only state-approved research and maintenance personnel are allowed inside now. Number 4. Sorry, but you don't get to go crack the Da Vinci Code yourself. But, thanks in part to Dan Brown's work of fiction about the secrets of the Catholic Church, the Vatican has begun opening up its secret archives to select members of the public. Of course, that mostly means journalists and researchers. You can't just show up and ask for a tour. The Vatican's secret archives are considered to hold some of the most valuable historical documents and artifacts known to man, but they've been kept secret for most of the Vatican's existence. Even now, visitors are offered only a guided tour, not free access to the archive's contents. Number 3. From 1925 to 2011, the secret formula for Coca-Cola was stored in a SunTrust bank vault in Atlanta. After that, one of the world's most closely guarded secrets went back to Coca-Cola headquarters to reside in a brand new custom vault that resembles a mix between a bank vault and a fallout shelter. The vault is a tourist attraction now, so you can visit its location and do a bunch of other stuff. What you can't do is actually go inside. Instead, you'll get a virtual Formula Vault tour, which lets you sort of experience going in the vault, but not really. Number 2. Like the Chiyon Mountain complex, the Device Assembly Facility, or DAF, was built to withstand a nuclear blast. But that's because they were testing nuclear blasts there. The DAF is the place that standardized the assembly process of nuclear weapons. So of course, you can't visit there. The facility is pretty much just a bunch of reinforced concrete buildings built to withstand nuclear blasts, complete with decontamination areas and interior blast doors. Also, most of it is underground. Number 1. Technically, you can visit half of the infamous demilitarized zone between North and South Korea if you really want to. South Korea offers guided tours of their half of the zone if you're feeling brave. You do, of course, have to sign a waiver that basically says it's your own damn fault if you die. There are landmines everywhere, and sometimes North Korean soldiers booby-trap buildings on the South Korean side with explosives. So, if you're cool with all that, you can visit the South Korean section of the DMZ. It's just that accidentally crossing over to the North Korean side is liable to get you shot or kidnapped. That's the part you can't visit. So, stay with your tour group.
What? Did you know that we have a countdown book featuring some of our best scripts on sale now? Links down below for the physical and ebook versions.
Well, that's it for this countdown, but catch you guys next time.